Hi guys, it's Alice here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did my look for the BTS concert back in May. This was a look that was requested by a few of you on my Instagram post right here. So as you can see, the theme of it was orange. I had little like orange hearts on my face and orange eyeshadow with orange lips, and I was wearing Jin's alpaca. So if you want to see how I did this look, then continue watching. Okay, I am truly sorry for the way I look right now, so in order to help that situation, let's get some shit on my face. So the very first thing that you want to do is to get some sunscreen, and this is really important because you're gonna be outside all day for the concert. Now the next thing you want is a primer because you want your makeup to last all day long. Also, I like the illuminating types of primers. It makes my foundation kind of glow. So after letting all that set in, I'm going to use my April Skin Compact today. And this is... I forgot what the shade was. There's only like 3 shades, I think. And this is 22. Where is all... Oh my fucking god, where's my fucking lash? Alright, the cushion is done. Now I'm just gonna use my Maybelline concealer and just conceal my under eyes. And right here. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in shade 100, translucent. Okay, now we're gonna work on eyebrows. I have the VDL Skinny Brow Pencil, and this is in shade 2, Grey Brown. Eyebrows are looking pretty even to me. Now we're gonna contour. I'll be using the dual contour pack from the Face Shop, and I completely hit pan with this one. Look. Ah! Let's go into eyeshadow. So I'm using my Morphe palette as always, and I'm gonna be going into this light orange shade right here. And we're just gonna be applying that all over our lid. My eyelid is like really uneven today. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the darker one, right above it, this orange. We're also going to bring it down to the lower lash line. Now we're going to go into this darker shade, and we're going to pop this into the outer V. I'm also taking this brown shade right here, and I'm gonna pop that into my outer corner as well, just a little. That's it. Right here I have my Stila Glitter eyeshadow, and this is super shimmery, and it's gonna make my eyeshadow pop if I put it on the center. Damn it, I'm already out of this. Oh my god, I'm already out. So we're just gonna put that right on the center. It doesn't normally look like this, but I'm completely out, so oops. Okay, since I'm completely out of that, I'm actually gonna just use my BDL, and okay, I have to be careful with this because I kind of broke it. Oh, it's terrible. Let me clean it up a little. This is what it looks like. Super shimmery and super pretty. Now we're gonna just take a little bit of that and pop it on the center. Ooh. My Ink Graphy Liquid Eyeliner from the Face Shop. And I'm actually gonna struggle doing eyeliner today because my eyelid right here is, I don't know what's going on with it. We're actually gonna make the liner sort of come down and out instead of a wing today. Oh, my eyeliner looks super uneven because of this damn eyelid. But we have lashes. Now I'm gonna take an angled brush with the brown eyeshadow that I use for my eyebrows and bring this color on the lower outer corner. Can you stop turning off? So I'm using a crayon, and this is a glitter crayon, and I'm using that to sort of highlight the inner corner and bring it underneath my eye. See how pretty that is? And I'm gonna set that with that glitter from earlier. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and bring it in my inner corner. Alright, now that that's done, let's move on to eyelashes. Today I'm gonna be using, I forgot what these are called, so I'll just put the picture right here. Those are the lashes that I'm gonna be using. It's gonna squirt on my face. I know I should put on mascara before falsies, but I just don't do that because mascara is so annoying to remove. What is up with this fucking eyelid? Ow! Okay, lashes are on. This eye is looking completely crazy. But let's move on to blush. So, going in with this color again, the one that we used as the eyeshadow base. Take a little bit of that. And we're gonna put that on our cheeks for blush. Ow. Okay, for now let's move on to the lips first, and then we'll do the little cheek marks later. I love Peri Peri so much. I'm gonna use this ink velvet. Whoa, that looks very orange. But once you blend it out, it becomes like a super pretty like gradient color. Now I like to use this color first because it's pretty light, so I can use that as a gradient, and when I overdraw my lips, it will make for a better gradient effect. Okay, so now that I have that on, I'm going to use my BTS lipstick. Oh yeah, super orange. Now I'm finishing off the lips with my Oh Hui gloss, and this is just like this is an orange gloss. Okay, now this is gonna be the most fun part. We're gonna draw the hearts on our cheeks. So I'm gonna use the same Peri Peri lipstick, and I'm gonna take a brush, get some product on there, and we're gonna draw the heart. Shit, I should have put on highlighter first. Before you start putting on the heart, I'm gonna go in with my Ofra highlighter, highlight my cheeks. Shit, dude. Just gonna go around it. Now we may resume. When you see me, when you touch me, I fucked it up. This is as good as it's gonna get. It's so ugly. I'm just gonna move on because I'm sick of doing this. So I'm gonna put in my contacts now. See the difference? Now that I got my contacts in, I'm gonna do my hair. So what I like to do is section my hair. And just makes a really loose curl. Just let me love you. Just let me love you. Alright, so my hair is complete. Now I'm gonna change and bring the headband. So I couldn't actually locate the shirt that I wore on that day, so I just put on my BTS sweater. Chiming. And what I actually did with my hair was I bobby pinned it, and I have my part right here. Put it back a little, like a little bump. And I got my headband. I wore Jin's alpaca. Put it right on top of the bump so my hair doesn't look that flat. And we're BTS concert ready, even though there's no BTS concert anytime soon. Alright, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this concert makeup tutorial, even though I know it was shit. I also know that this look has like nothing to do with the character, but I was planning on doing some other like BT21 character looks. Let me know if you want to see that, because that will be way better than like whatever the fuck this is. Remember to stay hydrated, don't run over and stomp on any girls and like break legs and shit. So another little tip, if you think the hearts are like a little too extra, which I totally agree with, you can just like take it off or not put them on at all, and then switch up your outfit, fix up your hair, add some accessories, and you're good to go for just like a normal day out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!